Hi ladies, happy Friday. I hope you were looking forward to a wonderful weekend. We are continuing, we have one more day for our Christmas open house. Christmas open house to you means that we have got a 30% off of anything in the store, and tomorrow will be your last day. The exclusions will be our formal wear, Bright and Julie Voss, and our Hammett bags, but everything else in the store will be 30% off. So that is a great savings. In addition to the 30% off, we are going to do Tribal, one of our favorite brands. We are down to one rolling rack of Tribal. We started out probably with about four. And it will be 50% off, and it will be for Saturday and Saturday only, ladies. So you must call or let us know before 4 o'clock on Saturday. We close at 4 on Saturdays to get the 50% off. If not, it would be the 30% off. So that's a little bit extra 20%. So I'm going to start and show you, and what I will show you is the original price. So you just automatically take that in half, and what you see is what you get on sizes. So,
and then there'll be a final sale.
And it will be a final sale, correct. Okay, we're going to start with this sweater that, you know, some things you cannot believe that they're still here. And this is one of them. So it is a navy and white or cream sweater, and it's got beautiful, a little bit lighter blue sleeves, kind of in a pretty Wedgwood blue sleeve. It does have kind of like almost like a funnel neck. The fabric content on these will be different, as it's not Lulubi. And the fabric content on this one is going to be 50 rayon, 28 poly, and 22 nylon. It feels amazing. It really does. In this, priced at $115, I have a large and an extra large left. This is a onesie, and I actually own this blouse, and I have loved it. I got it late in the season, but I have really loved it. It's a great weight, and the neckline's good, the color's good. And it's a good transition. It is 100% cotton, and it is priced at $91, and this is a medium. I have one piece. I thought I put all the one pieces at the bottom, but I forgot that I have one piece left in these wide legs with that beautiful embroidered gusset going all the way down the side. And it is truly embroidered. Beautiful. Lots of great colors. It is priced at $107, and they are a size 4. And it is a true button zip. There are 2 blouses left in this print. It's kind of got the smocking around the neck and the sleeve with a V-neck. It is priced at $110. And in this, I have a 1X and a 2X left. I have 2 pieces left in this blouse. This has kind of got a weave to it, so it's got a pattern. It is a button front. It does have elastic in the sleeves, and it does have your Sutrash trim there. Here again, I think this one is probably all cotton as well. I didn't tell you the fabric of the other one, did I? Sometimes I forget. It is 100% cotton, as the other one is too, I'm sure. This one is priced at $95, and in this one, I have 2 larges left. Okay, this is one of their basic jeans in the darker denim. This is in the crop. It is in the curvy fit. It is a true button zip, and this is about your favorite style. Allie loves this style. And it is great. It's kind of contoured at the waist. So if you have larger hips than you do waist, it is contoured, so it fits very nicely. And all that band is kind of stretchy. So it is a crop. It is originally priced at $95. In the dark denim, I have a 4, I have a 12, and I have a 14. I also have it in a lighter wash. And in the lighter wash, at the same price, I have a 4, a 10, a 4 and 2 10s. And we also have that same style in this beautiful fuchsia pink. This is a true button zip. At $95 as well, I have a 4, and I have a 10. Here's another blouse. This is kind of in a shorter style, and it's kind of one of those. Is this the one that looks like it's tucked?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. When you put it on, you don't have to do anything. It already looks like it's kind of been tucked. So it's a little bit shorter in the front. It has elastic in the sleeves. And it's a blouse that you can kind of dress up if you wanted to. The fabric content is 100% polyester. And this does run big. It has your gathered at the yoke. It's priced at $95. I have 2 pieces left in that. An extra small and a large.
You can definitely size down.
Definitely size down. Okay, this is my twin. And I don't know if you can see, it's different shades of blue that it's kind of heathered. I don't know if it shows up because it's got kind of like pinks and almost turquoises and light blues and medium blues. Chambray blue, all those blues. It is 72 acrylic, 17 cotton, 6 nylon, and 5 polyester. And it is open weave, but I have nothing on underneath it other than, well, I have my bra on, but I don't have any camisole or anything, and it's fine. So in this, priced at $114, I have a small and 2 mediums, and I have on the medium. Here is the jean that I have on, is a true pull-on. It is a flare leg, and it's very stretchy and very comfortable. Priced at $95, I have a small and 2 larges left in that. Here's kind of a fuzzy sweater. It looks soft and you want to touch it like a baby. The fabric content on this is going to be 63 nylon, 24 rayon, and 13 polyester. It is priced at $114. And in that, I have an extra small, I have 2 larges, and an extra large. Trouble did a dressier, like a winter white pant. And these are hard to find in the market. And I can't believe these are still here. But it almost has a linen-y weave. It has a texture to it like a linen. But they are not linen. They're poly, I'm sure. They may be a blend, but they are 62 poly, 33 rayon, and 5 spandex. A true button zip, but they hang beautifully. It's just got a nice weight to it, and it does have your little slip pockets in the back with your front pockets, priced at $95. In that, I have a 4, I have an 8, 2 8s, and a 10. Here is the sweater that you see behind me also. This is in a 2-tone, kind of a cream taupe combo. It's got that cute little pocket there. The fabric content is 50 rayon, 30 poly, and 20 nylon. It is priced at $119, and in that I have 2 larges. It is also on the end cap. This is the same sweater, but in the different color combination. Same fabric content, same price. And in that, I have 2 mediums and a large. Okay, that's just, okay. Then we have 2 pieces left in this one with the kind of the sequins on it and the leaves going across the shoulder. This one is priced at $119. This is 92 poly and 8% rayon. In this one, I have an extra small and a large. I have 3 pieces left of this jean. This is the jean with it's kind of a distressed denim, and it does have all of your stud work going down around the pockets, down the front, and it does carry over to the back pockets. It is a straight leg, and it is in a ankle pant. Priced at $119, a true button zip, and that I have a 2, a 6, and an 8. This really cute jean jacket that has these side pockets, a little bit of a different take. It has a little bit different style to it. It has a little gather in the back, and it almost looks like it's got your belt loops, like your waistband going around the bottom. So something a little bit different. It's very, very stretchy. It's gonna feel like a knit, not like a denim. It is priced at $131. I have that in an extra small, a medium, and a large. And that you can probably size down into as well. Here's one of Allie's favorite pieces. We had this in 2 colors, and we just have a couple of pieces left in the black. She wears it as a little jacket, whether it's over a dress, whether it's over a tank top, or a lawn. I think it is. Nope, 43 poly. No, 43 rayon, 34 poly, 10 nylon, or is that 18? And 4 spandex. Priced at $107. I have 2 smalls and a medium left in that. And that ran a little bit big as well, didn't it? Okay. Another Fuzzy Wuzzy sweater. We're going to be wanting these Fuzzy Wuzzy sweaters coming up this winter when it gets cold. Okay, it's 71 nylon, 19 rayon, and 10 polyester. It is priced at $119, and in that I have 2 mediums. The next few pieces I'm going to show you are onesies, the last one. So this is almost kind of an animal print. Here again, it is in a fuzzier nap sweater. It has a V-neck, nice side slits. It is 60 rayon, 26 poly, and 26 rayon and 14 poly at $119, and this is a size small. And I would say that runs probably big a little bit. 1 piece left in this. It's almost a layered look, like you have a top on underneath, but it is all 1 piece. It does have a mock neck with a nice side slit. It is 66 poly, 32 rayon, and 2 spandex. It is priced at $83, and it is a large. Another fuzzy sweater, and this is the last one in this one. This is 41 viscose, 36 nylon, 23 poly at $119, and this is a large. This cute Kelly green, this would be a great spring sweater. Priced at $115. The fabric content on that is going to be 51 viscose, 28 poly, and 22 nylon, and it is a size large. 1 piece left in this vest. This vest actually, it has a placket, but it has snaps there. So easy on and off vest if need be. It's really a cute look. It is an extra small. So if you extra smalls need something to keep your core warm, this would be a fun item to have. It is 92 poly and 8 nylon, and it is at $119 in the extra small. I have got some random scuba knit pants left, so a great lounging pant or wear out pant. It's a flowy pant. It does have a little pleat here, has your pockets, and the yoke goes across in the back. They hang beautifully. They have just enough weight to them. They are priced at $95 in the gray. I have a medium and a large. In the black, I have a medium, I have a large, and an extra large. And I have 1 piece left in the taupe. And they are also an extra large at $95. Then the next few pieces are going to be kind of some outerwear. This is going to be a fun denim jacket or a casual jacket to wear with your jeans, your cowboy boots. It would even be cute with a little jean dress if you had it. It is priced at $215. In that, I have a medium and a large. Fabric content on that is 60 poly, 20 acrylic, and 20 rayon. I have 1 piece left of this leatherette look. It's all poly, and it's a denim jacket. A wonderful jacket to wear with pretty much everything. It is priced at $167, and this is an extra large. And then I have 2 pieces left in this puffer vest in this beautiful chocolate taupe color. It looks like it is kind of layered there. I love how they did the side gusset. And the hood does zip off, so you can do it with or without the hood. And this is just kind of like a square puffy with your pockets. Priced at $155, and in that I have a medium and a large left. So for Saturday, all of this rack will be 50% off, and it will be just for the Saturday. So everything else, store-wide, 30% off with those few exceptions. So if you see something you like, please call the store at 336-766-7440 so we can help you, accommodate you, get that stuff shipped out to you, or you can make a direct message on the email, Instagram, or Facebook. Thank you so much for supporting us this last few days with our open house. It is our 44th year annual open house, so we are blessed to be here, and it is because of you that we are still here. So please continue to support us small businesses through this holiday season and the rest of the years. As always, ladies, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend.